North Anglia International School, Manila allows me to discover myself. I attended a traditional Chinese school. I studied there for 6 years, but I felt very limited. I feel that my state of mind at NAIS Manila is stimulated. I have a lot of passions, mainly sports, music, and photography.
Yeah, that's the perfect one. Okay.
Mr. McGuinness is my science teacher. He is very supportive of my passions.
Every single subject he seems to have a strong passion for. The way that we help students like Pio prepare for the future is by developing their skills in learning. NAIS Manila has our collaboration with MIT. All of our science, technology, engineering, art and mathematics is about the students looking at the process of their work. These skills will be something that will never go obsolete. They will always be able to use them in the future.
Mr. McGuinness told me the best way to learn is to enjoy the learning process. I love learning now because now I feel like I'm thinking more. I feel that Mr. McGuinness has taught that to me. NAIS Manila provides me with opportunities for academic progress. Now I'm above average. I learn independence. I can manage my own time and my own studies. I now know that there isn't just one path to success, and that has given me both hope and freedom. To me, being ambitious doesn't mean just chasing the highest marks. It means striving to be the best version of yourself inside and outside the classroom.